get in our eyes now.
No, come here, it's over here.
She's gonna be tired tonight.
Can't see it in the sunlight.
Hey, hey.
So Stephanie's chasing a laser pointer around the floor.
Come here. Hey, it's back here.
If you're lucky, you'll get to see the army crawl.
What is in your mouth? What's in your mouth? Here, it's over here. Look, it's over here.
Put it on the box.
Look, it's on the box. Look, look.
Wow.
She's
70.
not looking, she's looking outside.
Look, see? Look, here it is. Here it is, here it is. Oh, it's on the box.
She's not looking up.
Come here.
She's not looking up. She finds it on the floor, she doesn't see it on the box. There she goes. She's looking for it on the box and you change things on her.
She sticks her butt up in the air. There, it's over here.
That way she can pounce. See? Look at her. She's like a little jackrabbit.
Oh, Stephanie.
She's like a little jackrabbit. Did you see that, Harrison? No.
Come here.
We'll right into the sandal. She's gonna be worn out tonight.
Come here.
Andrew had something in, I think.
Come here.
Hmm?
Boys, what? Oh, I don't know. It shook.
Yeah.
Oh, well, it's not level.
No.
Maybe we're having an earthquake or an atomic test.
Yes, we have nuclear radiation problems.
Hey, it's on my foot, dingbat. Food. Gotta have a little fuel.
That's Stephanie. Don't film me, I look like crap.
Huh?
I need to bring
Stop it.